Where did branding start? We have our friend, Mr. or Miss or Mrs. Livestock. As I'm sure many of us know or gather from thinking about the word and other ways in which it is used, this is where branding comes from. Branding comes at its very earliest utilization in an agrarian economy where merchants and farmers, owners of livestock, were bringing their output, to put it nicely, to market. But even before that, they were telling their cows and sheep and other things apart from that of the neighboring landowner, and they started using brands, actually on the hide. Branding iron, not a pleasant process. And so at its very core, at its very start, branding was created to differentiate, in that case, one's property from someone else's, in case there was ever a dispute when the calf trots over past the fence or the boundary or whatever it is. That's where it started. And in many ways, there is no better definition of why it matters today. It's differentiation. Now, taking the output of this in an agrarian economy to market, farmers, landowners brought their brands that they had put on the hides of their animals to the actual output of their animals to market. And pretty soon, again, differentiation. If I pick this one up, who do I pay? Just simple. It was about, as many things were, how to make a disorderly process more structured. Branding. But pretty soon, that meat tastes a little different than that one. A little better, or worse. A little chewier, or tough. And every other qualitative difference that you could possibly imagine became associated with one brand or another. Again, the simplest definition of why this matters is really where it comes from, to differentiate one animal and its yield from another. And very, very soon, human nature is to attach qualitative preferences and pay premiums and make choices based upon what brand was present at market. So now in our hyper-complicated world, the quest to build and benefit from strong brands is exactly the same. How do I differentiate? What do I stand for? What are the attributes that make me unique, special, different in my organization, and worthy of the investment of donors, ticket buyers, visitors, all the constituencies that matter?